Myself Shrishti Agrawal, and I'm going to explain the topic rectifier with my two fellow mates Samiksha Srivastava and Sudha Chaudhary. So, what is rectifier? It's an electrical device which converts AC voltage into DC and vice versa in only one direction. Basically, there are two types of rectifiers, which are half-wave rectifier and full-wave rectifier. We are going to explain about half-wave rectifier in this presentation. Here is working of half-wave rectifier. During the positive half cycle, the diode is under forward bias condition and it conducts. So we get voltage across load resistance, which is DC voltage. Alternatively, in negative half cycle, the diode is under reverse bias condition, so there is no conduction of current. So the net result which is possible during the positive half cycle, the output pulsates the DC voltage. In this slide, there is a circuit diagram of half-wave rectifier. First, we have taken AC input. Then there is transformer which is connected by forward bias diode, and load resistance is connected in series, which later on gives DC output. As we have discussed earlier in the previous slide, we have taken AC input and it goes through transformer. It can go in two directions, forward bias and reverse bias. If it goes in forward bias, the current flows and we get voltage across load resistance. And if it reverse bias, conduction doesn't take place. So we get only DC voltage as output. Now we come to the formulas of the half-wave rectifiers. VDC is the average output voltage. V peak is the peak voltage, the voltage at which in peak we get. VRMS is the root mean square value of output voltage. So by calculation, VRMS equal to V peak by 2. V DC voltage is equal to V peak by pi.
We will be discussing about the applications of half-wave rectifier. Some of the applications are these. First is appliances. As we all know, electrical appliances use DC power supply to function. Next is transformer. Using half-wave rectifier, we can achieve desired DC source by using step-up or step-down transformer. Half-wave rectifiers are used in soldering iron type of circuits. Then comes the AM radios. Half-wave rectifiers are used in AM radios as detectors because of the output signals are audio signals. As we talk about signal demodulation, it is used for the demodulation of amplitude of modulated signal. As we talk about voltage multiplier, it is used for the purpose of voltage multiplier. VDC and the current IDC flowing through a resistor of 100 ohm connected to a 200 VRMS signal phase half-wave rectifier as shown in the figure. Now we will be calculating the power consumed by the load. As you know, VDC is equals to VRMS by pi. That will be equal to 0.318 V max. That is 0.45 Vs. Now in the previous slide we saw that Vmax is equals to VRMS into root 2 or VRMS into 1.414, or we can say that VRMS equals to Vmax into 0.7071. Now VDC equals to this as we calculated over there, and now we will be putting the value of VRMS from here, and that will be, then VDC will be equal to 108 volt, or VDC equals to 0.318 Vmax, and we will put the Vmax value over here and we can get the value of VDC. Now RDC will be equal to VDC by R, that is 108 by 100, which will be equal to 1.08 amps. And and power is equals to I square R. We'll be putting the value of IDC over here and into 100, that will be equal to 1161. In this video, we discussed about rectifiers, types of rectifiers, the working of half-wave rectifier, applications of half-wave rectifier, and numericals. Thank you.